So today we will talk about the National Education Alliance for Technology scheme, basically the NEET scheme. This is recently launched by the Ministry of Education and main implementing agency is the All India Council on Technical Education. So let's talk about the NEET scheme. As I have told you that Ministry of Education has announced the new National Education Alliance for Technology, basically the full form of the NEET scheme, to use the technology for better learning outcome in the higher education. Remember this point, this NEET 3 is basically focused on the higher education. Remember that. If you talk about the scheme, then remember that it is based on the public-private partnership. Now, what do you mean by the public-private partnership? Basically, a collaboration of the private and the public sector is known as the public-private partnership model. Remember that, and the government and that tech companies of India. What is the main aim? Main aim is basically to bring down the best technological solution in the education sector. Is the first aim for whom basically on the economically and socially weaker section. Main targeted group if you talk about is the economically and socially weaker section, although it is available for all. Obviously there will be a government aid will be provided to the economically weaker section, but remember that it is available to all. Anyone can register on the portal and learn new skill. So remember that technological education on a single platform for the convenience of an economically and weakly censored section of the society. And what is to make a student from the disadvantaged section? What do you mean by disadvantaged section? Economically and weaker section aware of availability of such opportunity. Sometimes they are not aware of the availability or opportunities in the market. So obviously government want to try to aware them. Obviously there are some skill which you want to learn, or if you have any skill then you try to polish them. So remember that to learn new skills and polish existing ones and act as a bridge between the ed tech companies, academic institution and student, and bring down the digital inequality is the main aim of the National Education Alliance for Technology scheme, basically the NEET scheme. So further if you talk about the National Education Alliance for Technology means NEET scheme, then remember that implementing agency, main implementing agency is the All India Council for Technical Education, popularly known as the AICTE, under the Ministry of Education. If you talk about this institution, then remember that this set up in 1945 and it is the national level apex advisory body. Means apex means top advisory body. So remember that. And it is All India Council for Technical Education is also a statutory body. Remember that. So if you talk about the other features of this scheme, then remember that it is a technological solution using artificial intelligence for customized learning, and e-content in niche areas having highly employable skill are being identified for showcasing on the portal. Means whatever is the highly employable skill will be provided on this portal of the aicet.org.in. So remember that this is the highly employable scheme like the programming, coding, life sciences, data sciences, etc. are the offer courses will be provided to the higher education, basically to the undergraduate students and the postgraduate students. So remember that. If you talk about especially for the backward communities, as I have told you, main target group for backward communities, government will distribute the free coupon. Means now in this scheme, the private companies or the edtech companies is free to choose their price. So how they will benefit to the weaker section? So basically for the benefit of the weaker section, government will distribute the free coupon which they can use to purchase that course. So remember that. If we talk about belonging to the SC, ST and OBC category and EWS educational and economically weaker section categories with the annual family income capped at 8 lakhs. So remember that. If you talk about top 5 courses, if you talk about Python is the highest programming language. Remember that C, C++, Java, programming, data science, life science and healthcare analysis are the such courses will be provided on the aic.org.in portal. So remember that. So this is all about of the NEET scheme. Remember that in the next phase of the NEET scheme means NEET 4. Obviously it will be for the school students also will come according to the coordinator of the NEET scheme. Remember that. So what is the summary of this video? Remember that NEET. What do you mean by NEET? It is basically for the education sector, National Education Alliance for Technical Education. and it is basically for the higher education. Remember that what is the main objective? Main objective is to bring down the digital inequality and provide highly employable skills to the youth in the higher education. If we talk about this, is main target group is basically the socially and economically weaker section. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video.